Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install SUPERVIVE game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser, just search for the Steam website, then open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just scroll down, you'll see the option to create an account, so just create account on Steam. And guys, this is very simple. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is also very simple and easy. After that, open up the Steam, then just log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the SUPERVIVE. Guys, once you type this game name, now SUPERVIVE game appear on the top, so just open it. And guys, once you open up the SUPERVIVE game, here just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to library. So just click on this option of add to library. Now this game is free to play, just click on the OK. Then just go to the library of your Steam, and on the left hand side just find this game, just search for it, and once you find it, just click on there, then just click on the install, and that's all. You can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.